The bookmaker's odds in soccer betting represent the probability or likelihood of a particular outcome in a match. Betting odds also determine your payout, because your payout is the multiplication of the amount you staked and the total number of odds in your bet slip. Bookmakers set odds based on a game's margin of expected victory or defeat, and these margin of defeat are estimated by considering things like the previous head-to-head matches of the two teams, their current form in the last 5 matches, absence of important players in the team, home or away advantage, market movement, and statistical analysis. For example, in this game between Napoli and Torino, Napoli was given such high odds even though they were at home because they expected the win or defeat margin to be slim. And when the match was played, the game ended 1-1. Football betting odds are written in 2 major forms, which are the popular decimal and fraction odds. Most countries in Africa use the decimal odds, while countries like the UK use fraction odds. Both the decimal and fraction odds are just another way of expressing probability. Now, one important thing I want to teach you is how to convert odds to probabilities and probabilities to odds. The importance of knowing how to convert odds to probability is that it helps us to determine if a bet is worth staking your money on or not. For instance, on your bet site, if you see a game you want to put your money on, but are too lazy to do your analysis, you can convert these decimal odds to probability, so that you can find the percentage of the likelihood of your favorite winning. Using Everton versus Manchester United for example, if you want to get the probability of Manchester United winning in this match, all you have to do is use the odds to divide 1, then it by 100. So 1 over 1.92 multiplied by 100. Now, if you solve it with your calculator, you'll have 52.08%. This means Manchester United have a 52% likelihood of winning this match in theory. If you use this method as we did here, you can easily find the probability of a draw happening and the likelihood of Everton winning this match. Take note that the addition of these probabilities could exceed 100. If you are reading a prediction website for analysis and you see the odds in fractions, but you want to change it to decimal, you can simply do that by using your calculator to solve the division. Then add 1 to it. If you use the fraction method in your country and you want to convert it to probability in percentage, just put 1 over the fractional odd, then add 1 to the odds, and next, multiply it by 100. So that will be 1 divided by 13 over 4 plus 1, then multiplied by 100. Odds are just a representation of theoretical likelihood, and I do not suggest betting based on that probability, because what is more important is what will happen on the pitch. But learning about odds can help you to recognize games with value bets.